I was looking at this plant as I was grooming and taking care of some of my plants. This one's called Lavender Mountains, Three Rivers Lavender Mountains. It's from a second cross I did, and I was looking at it. These blooms have lasted weeks and weeks, and even though it is it's kind of an ordinary color, the performance of it is spectacular. So this is a very young plant. It's one of my hybrids, and I just wanted to record this because of it. I can't believe how long these blooms are lasting, and they're stick tight also. And here's another one of my favorite of my hybrids. This one I called Three Rivers Armagh, after a place in Northern Ireland. This seed parent for this was Woodland Sprite, and all of the plants that I got from that have beautiful leaf structure. This is kind of a small plant because the pollen parent was a small standard. Anyway, this is just one of my favorite ones. And then here is one of my really top ones. It's not in full bloom now. It's also from the Woodland Sprite cross. The structure of it is just spectacular. I've disbudded it somewhat because it was about to go out of, it hit the blooms had started fading. But my goal in this cross that I did was to get a red or a reddish version of Woodland Sprite, and this one is the one that has been so very successful. And it's the stick tight, which Woodland Sprite is a dropper, and it's very species-like. I love the Woodland Sprite plant because of that, and it has such wonderful leaves. But this one I just love. It's a large plant. It has been through several bloom cycles. It blooms quite often, and it's one of my favorite of all my hybrids. It's Three Rivers Lindisfarne, and I wanted to share that. I have pictures of it in much more full bloom than this, but the structure is just so beautiful. So these are just a few of the hybrids that I have that I worked on for the last couple of years, and I just wanted to share them. Thank you for watching.